Hello and welcome. This is Irfan Lodhi and you are watching Project Planning Tacts. Today we are going to learn how to change words in different alphabetic orders faster than your imagination. I'm sure you have experienced this kind of list as you can see in the column A under the names section that you have Irfan Lodhi written with or small alphabets. If you look at the second name Rashid Latif, the first name Rashid is written with small alphabets and the second name Latif is written with capital alphabets. Same Simon, Chris and so on. If you have this kind of list and you have hundreds and thousands of items under the list, you can't really present it in your reports. So how to make it proper? There are three very easy and simple functions. If you use those, you can make your life easy. I'm going to show you how. So the first one, if you want to show this word in capital letters, so how to show it? The first option, you press capital key and write here RFAN LODHI and consider if you have hundreds line item or thousands line item, then how long you are going to spend. Now let's apply Excel function and see how quickly it will give you a result as we want it. So we'll simply press is equal to this key, type U P P, so it is showing upper. So you have an option, either you press tab key, so the function will be selected, or you double click on upper function, so this will be selected in the cell. Now under the formula, you have to select a text. So what is the text? The first name is the text. So you have two options. You can select by your mouse by clicking cell A4, or you know that this cell is column A, row 4. So A4. So simply press A4, close the bracket, enter. Here we go. I would like to know, when you face this kind of issue, how did you resolve it? And I am sure you might be recalling the day when you busy with this kind of exercise and you spent a lot of time on it. So write down your experience in the comment box. Now I am going to show you how to use a function to make it small. Is equal to lower, press tab, use the left arrow key, select the text, close the bracket, enter. Now let's see how to make this word proper. We'll go in the same way, press is equal to sign, type PROP, it shows a function called proper. Press tab, press left arrow key and select the text, close the bracket, enter. Now we need to fill down the whole list. So how to do it without touching the mouse? Press shift key, hold it, press right arrow key. Now I have selected my range which needs to be copied in the below cells. Press shift key, hold, press down key and select the range. Now I am going to tell you another short key to fill down the functions. So now you have to release shift key and you have to press and hold control key and press D. It's done. So look at column B. We have all the items are in capital alphabetic orders. If you look at column C, we have all the names in small alphabetic orders. And if you look at column D, we have all the names are in proper. So the first letter of the first word is starting with capital letter and the rest is in small alphabetic order. First letter of second word is starting with capital letter and the rest is in small alphabetic order. So this is called proper. That's all for today. Please subscribe my channel to remain informed of new videos.